Using your pencil, draw a circle in the middle of your paper. It does not have to be a perfect circle. Don't forget that learning to draw takes time. You should pause this lesson and take your time with each step shown here. Then, add a curvy line below the circle. The shape of the mango has a pointed bottom. Follow the guide for the correct shape. You can erase the extra line from the circle you drew in step 1. After that, draw a small rectangular shape at the top of your mango. This will become the mango stem. Next, draw a big leaf beside the twig. Add a smaller leaf beside the big one to complete your mango drawing. Now grab your crayons and color the mango. We are going to use yellow and green colors for this mango, but you can also add red and orange colors as well. Be sure to click into the link below for the PDF guide.